won't believe this. What started as a routine traffic stop in Long Beach escalated into a full-speed chase and ended in a jaw-dropping.
Which way to go? He almost lost control. Wrong side of the road now. Here's that traffic I'm talking about.
From the moment he merged on the freeway, the suspect drove aggressively, dodging lanes, speeding over 80 mph, pushing through dense vehicles. Bystanders scatter, metal crunches, glass shatters. This wasn't just a crash, it was chaos. That grey sedan spun out. The suspect abandons the truck and flees on foot, but his escape is brief.
He's injured and he's going to kind of stagger down the street here. 7th Street at Miramar.
Goals.
Here they come. LAPD.
Here we go.
And this is where the chase ends, in a violent pileup with truck and multiple civilian vehicles.
For the suspect as well?
Yeah, we're hearing that the officer needs being attended to by the medics as well as